it is compulsory to see the manual. I am opening. This is a manual, and this is a DJI Tello. So open this DJI Tello. Yes, this is a Tello, and see the accessories box. See, there is one flap. It is used for emergency, and this is a battery, small battery. This is a Tello drone. It is 80 gram in weight. This is a small and palm size. There is a one hook and opening. And there is a four little like a, it is very sensitive, and there is a pin to fix it. Tello drone is very sensitive. And how to connect this? First you go to mobile, disconnect your network or home network, then on this button, there is a button, let's see, and to charge the battery and to charge the drone, there is a USB cable. And how to insert battery? There is a small little battery inserted here. Drone is very light in weight and easy. This is a battery of the drone. It is inserted here.